Rightio, so here we are again, another end to another year. 2025 is almost down the drain, so been a big year. We've had a lot go on. We've had projects happen that we didn't really plan for, so things always change. Doesn't matter what we sort of pick, something's always doing there. Maybe there's just too many things to do, but either way, they're going to get done. So 2026 is going to be a big year. It's going to be interesting. We got this project, this big one. So we are a lot further ahead on a few projects than what has been shown, but they all will pop up. A few things aren't as far ahead as what I'd like, but these will change. So, in here, there has been a lot of work in here too. So things like that. Going to be great to see what happens. We will smash this ahead. We will get sucked back into the cars. We have a few other projects hidden in the background that I've been working on. Some of them for a couple of years that I've been taping and haven't even put in there yet. So I can't wait to do that. But 2026 will hold some good fun. Now I've always been saying for years that I want to try to get one video out a week. So I'm going to completely forget that, because I think honestly I'm going to focus a lot more on the quality of the video content. So I want to learn a lot more about the editing side. I want to learn a lot more about the music side of things too, because picking the music for stuff it's not as easy as what it is. Free to use music can still be quite a pain to achieve and get it. But we are going to play some more with that sort of stuff. Definitely get stuck into these things we need to do. So 2026 is going to be interesting. But yes, big shout out to everyone who's supported the channel, for everybody who has helped critique my videos and give me advice and bits and pieces of things to do here and there, so very much appreciated. I know not every video is for everybody's liking, but it's what I feel like I want to put out. That's what I want to do. I'm not doing this for the fame or fortune or any of that. I'm just doing it for the fun of it. Something for me to do, maybe leave a bit of a legacy out there for people to look back on. And hey, I do have people ask questions, and which is nice, and so I can help where I can, and people give me advice too, which is excellent, so I'm very appreciative of that. So from me and my family to everyone out there and everybody else, I hope everyone's had a great Christmas, has an awesome new year, and we'll be getting stuck back into this straight away into the new year, and we'll see what we can knock out. So we do have a few deadlines on a few things, so we definitely will have to get stuck into those. But yeah, can't wait to see you all next year. Thank you.